This month's Crafternoon is make your own gaming mouse pad. So what you'll find in your kit is a foam mat that is also lined with some non-slip fabric on the back. It's already glued together. If you find it breaking apart, you can always add some more glue and make it a little more secure. So with your kit, along with the mouse pad, you will also get some stencils as well as a marker, either black or maybe a color depending on what's in your kit. I've got the Princess Peach and a flame, and I've got a cool gear and some different other designs. And if you watch this video, if you want to email me at pvplteens@gmail.com with a very specific stencil request, I would be happy to help you with that. Just make sure you send me the image that you want, and we can cut that out for you so you can decorate your mouse pad with that design. First thing you'll do is clear a space to work on. You're gonna lay your mat out and you're gonna choose one of your stencils. So I'm going to say, I'm gonna guess that you get in your stencil kit a flame, and how about a Minecraft sword. So I'm going to make a general plan before I just start laying down my designs. So I think what I'm going to do is kind of on the center here, I'm going to do a flame in the middle, and maybe do a couple to the side, so it's kind of like fires coming up from the middle. So I'm going to start with that. Alright, so I've got my first flame. I'm going to take off the stencil and see how it looks. That looks pretty awesome. I like it. So, I think what I'm going to do is add a little color. So, like I said, you might get a couple of colors in your pack. If you don't have the right color you're looking for, you can always use your own markers if you have them at home, or find color pencils, or you can also experiment and see what else marks on your mat. So I'm going to start with some red. Back with the black. So there's one of my flames. A little too messy, but I'm going to come back to it. I'm going to trace my other flames first and then I'll come back. So I'm going to do another one here. Alright, so there's my other flame. I'm going to do one more on the other side. Now that I have my flames on the bottom, I'm going to consider what other designs I want to put on there. So in my kit I had a Minecraft sword as well. So let me look around here and see where I want to put it. I want to put it off to the side. Maybe in the corners. Maybe two in the corners, kind of downward. Upward. So that's something you can do with the stencils. You can kind of move it around your mat and see where you want to put it. So I think I'm going to put it up here in the corner. Cool. And put one on the other side too. Okay. So remove that. And so now I've got flames and a cool Minecraft sword decor. So I think what I'm going to do is add a little bit more color to my middle flame, but I think I'm going to leave the other ones